Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we will discuss how to include microgreens in our diets. This video will take you through 3 easy breakfast recipes that include microgreens. The 3 breakfast recipes are microgreen sandwich, microgreen omelette, and finally microgreen salad. Pause for ingredients. Let us start by prepping the microgreens. Prepping includes collecting the microgreens from its grow bed, cleaning them thoroughly, and lastly chopping them. Use a pair of scissors to snip the microgreens above the growing media, leaving behind the roots. Repeat this till you have collected a sufficient quantity. Wash them 2 to 3 times, making sure there are no soil particles clinging onto them. Swallowing a whole bunch of microgreens may prove to be difficult, so we need to cut them to a convenient size that would be easy to blend with the food and to consume. Remember, the microgreens should be added in moderation in every recipe discussed here. Let us start with a sandwich. Finely chop 1 medium-sized onion. Squeeze half a lemon into a bowl. Clean and cook 2 potatoes in a cooker. Remove the skin and dice the potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 3 to 4 tablespoon chopped microgreens, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, half tablespoon pepper powder, salt to taste. Gently mash the contents. At this stage, add chopped onion and mix well. Grate 1 to 2 tablespoon butter into the mash and mix well. Take white or brown bread. Spread mayo on one side of each bread. a spoonful of mash onto the bread evenly. Now top it with another slice to make a sandwich. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Toast the sandwiches to golden color on both sides. Roughly around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Healthy and wholesome sandwiches are ready to serve. You can have them as an evening snack as well. Now let us move on to second recipe. For second recipe, we have a microgreen omelette. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. To this, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon pepper powder and salt to taste. Add 3 tablespoons chopped onion, add 2 tablespoons microgreens, whisk well for 1 to 2 minutes. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon butter. Spread it around. Pour the egg into pan in batches depending on the size of the pan. After 1 to 2 minutes, flip the omelette and cook the other side. Now let us move on to third recipe. This is the final recipe of this video. Take 1 medium-sized apple, wash and peel the skin. Dice the apple into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons microgreens. Add a spoon of date syrup. You can substitute date syrup with maple syrup or honey. Mix well. This is a wonderful and healthy microgreen salad that you can use as a post-workout meal. This brings us to the end of 3 healthy microgreen recipes. If you haven't watched our previous video on how to grow your own microgreens, be sure to check it out. We promise you it will be worth your while. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you.